Nothing but praises sa mga Pinoy ang American comedian na si Conan O'Brien. Kahit isang linggo lang sa bansa, nakapag-shoot siya ng eksena with Dennis Trillo at Jenilyn Mercado para sa Sanggang Dikit for real. Makichika kay Nelson Canlas.
From BGC to Manila, nakonan ng picture sa iba't ibang part ng Metro Manila ang American comedian at host na si Conan O'Brien. Swerteng nakapagpa-picture sa kanya ang fans, tulad ng fan na ang phone lock screen ay childhood photo ni Conan. Biro ni Conan sa portrait na ito mula sa isang fan. Ito raw ba ang bagong Philippine stamp? Nag-ala General Douglas MacArthur pa siya. Pero mukhang pinakaswerte ang pusang ito dahil nagpa-picture sa kanya si Conan. Nasa Pilipinas ang komedyante para mag-shoot ng kanyang show para sa isang streaming platform at ibang mga side trip. Nakakwentuhan ko si Conan at puro papuri ang sinabi tungkol sa ating mga kababayan.
Amazing. We've known for a while that we have a fan base in the Philippines, and we just see so much social activity here and response. And so we thought, we need to go, we need to visit, and we want to do one of our shows here. From the moment we landed, everybody has been so gracious, so polite, they're funny. And that doesn't happen in every country. The people of the Philippines are very funny and warm-hearted, and they have great ideas and they're quick.
Bitin daw si Conan sa kanyang one-week stay sa Pilipinas.
I want to come back, yeah. I definitely want to come back, if you'll have me. Sometimes I go to a country and I try to come back and they go,
"We will wait
no.
for you."
You'll wait for me?
Definitely.
No one have anything to eat until I come back.
Yeah. Nobody eats.
Yeah, no working, no eating.
Bilang lang araw ng Hollywood star dito sa Pilipinas at Sanggang Dikit FR ang isa sa napili niyang puntahan. Naku, kamusta naman kaya ang kanyang first Philippine teleserye experience?
Pero hindi lang siya basta bumisita sa set ng Sanggang Dikit FR. Gumawa rin siya ng mga kaabang-abang na eksena kasama ang mga bidang sina Jenilyn Mercado at Dennis Trillo.
This was incredible. They sent us the script, very good writing, loved it. They seemed to understand that I'm a silly fool. They made me a madman, they beat me up. Trust me, a lot of people in Hollywood want to beat me up. So it's the same is true in the Philippines. The actors are so good, and they made me very welcome here.
Saya, grabe, parang panaginip, di ako makapaniwala na nag-guest siya dito at ito pang Sanggang Dikit yung show na napili niya sa lahat ng mga shows dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya thank you, Conan, it's an honor.
Ang sarap ng pakiramdam na syempre parte kami ng pinunta dito ni Conan sa Pilipinas. So, kaya ang swerte ng Sanggang Dikit na mabisita kami ni Conan dito.
At hindi lang ang Jen Den ang may special interaction with Conan dahil may epic greeting pa siya for kapuso comedy genius Michael B. para sa anibersaryo ng longest running gag shows sa bansa, ang Bubble Gang.
Pitoy! I want to say congratulations. 30 years to have a show. I don't care where you live in the world, that's an amazing record. You're a very talented person. I wish you the best. Congratulations.
Nelson Canlas updated sa Showbiz Happenings.